Eri aya maikitio ngono hindi ya firigisheni ya gwethana na aria maratheremia wendia wa macini ici na aria marothithia. Firigisheni ino itongoretio ni County Commissioner wa Embu Maina na imahotithĩtie kuhungura matura matiganĩte ma Embu. Hindi ya firigisheni ino nyumba igĩrĩ nĩ hithũkĩtio cihũrĩte macini makiria ya 500 gukinyiria riu.
We have a lot of assembling done here because even part of these ones are being assembled in a house. We got them in category in a flat.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa firigisheni ino, County Commissioner wa Embu ni arutite mukana kuri ene manyumba aria marakomborithia Endia machini ici ona othithia.
It's still giving a warning to landlords who are renting people who are doing this kind of business, which I'll charge them with being accomplices to this vice.
Oho ni ugite raiya aria ni a China aria maroka na machini ici guku bururi-ini aingi ao maingiraga na njira ya ngungo. Esther athing'iriire ati firigisheni no hindi yambitie akiuga no iguthie na mbere yerekeirio nginyagia nyumba kwa nyumba nginyagia ihuke kaimana.
We have vowed that we will eradicate this vice completely from this county, and by 30 as the directive was given, you're not going to find any gambling machine in this county.
Nake County Commissioner wa Narok George Natembea ni arutite mukana kuri afitha thirikari aria mareingirania na biashara ya ciuthi cia kamari.
Kwa hivyo sisi kuanzia juu kwa rais mpaka kwa village elder, sauti ni moja, na ni kwamba hakuna mambo ya lotto machines. Tumekataa, haitakuwa licensed, hatutakubali lotto machines ifanye kazi katika kaunti ya Narok.
Aikari moritio kumenyithia wabici ya County Commissioner magicemania na ciuthi ici kundu iratwarithio na mbere. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Windrose Wangui.